Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Envestnet for wealth management authorization, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process with Envestnet, visit their official website. Look for the login section on the home page. If you do not have an account, locate the sign up option. Fill in the necessary details to create your account. Once registered, return to the login section. Enter your username and password to access your account. After logging in, navigate to the Wealth Management section. Find the option for authorization or integration services. Click on the authorization link to start the process. You will be prompted to provide necessary documentation. Gather all required financial and personal information. Upload any requested documents in the specified file formats. Verify all information for accuracy before submitting. After submission, wait for confirmation of your request. You may receive an email notifying you of the authorization status. If further information is needed, respond promptly to any communication. Follow any additional steps provided in the confirmation email. Once approved, you will have full access to wealth management tools. Familiarize yourself with the available features and resources. If you encounter issues, visit the support section for assistance. Keep your login information secure to protect your account. Regularly check for updates and new features from Envestnet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.